All right, today we are setting up to advertise these new lots that we got coming on the market right here in Whitehall, Michigan. Super nice place, easy access to town. You've got easy access to the expressway, but these are really secluded and well wooded. Full-time seasonal road here, big highway. You got garbage, you got electricity. We're gonna put some signs up on them. See what happens. Lot A. Nice unit. One last one. 5.5 acres though. Let's go check that out real quick. A through F. On the market. Rain's coming. Better go. All right, so we got all the signs up. We got lots marked. We got some survey stakes moved as best we can. Head back to the office. Big old Ford here. Got to do mapping, finish up the MLS, probably have lunch. Let's go.